met with my new friend Herman, and he's got a bunch of Alfa Juniors, Julias, he's got some Fulvias. It is amazing what you can find in these places. So many radical things tucked away in garages and warehouses and all of that. So I hope you enjoy this episode. Look at this kiff little common gear. It's got the papers, and it's been licensed. Bunch of Fulvias, Juniors. Weird looking thing, no idea what it is. Nice little Fulvia. Flipping great paint job, eh? Lancia. I really like these golf racing colors. Okay, let me explain something to you. This is highlight. And low light. Can you believe it? Same body, same everything, just slightly different styling. Thanks for joining me.